Now, I haven't taken one of these off yet, so I'm not sure how, but I watched some videos on YouTube, and the dude said that you just stick a flathead right here and then pry it out. Oh, yeah, I see it bowing right here. Also, I'm fortunate to have a picking tool so I can get this in there, kind of help pull it. Oh, yep, just like that. Came right out. Here you go. And now I have these little bulbs. Amazon said that these would, I bought all my bulbs that I've installed so far from Amazon. They said that these would not fit the car, but I think they were wrong. Oh shit, that's not even the right ones. These ones are the circular ones, the same ones that go up there. So that actually makes it simple. So these little guys that go in the dome light appear to go here as well. So I'm just gonna slide that right in there. Snug little fit, and we'll see if there's power. Boom. That's what you want to see. So let's just move along to this side. Same thing on the other side we'll do on this side. You put your flathead on the button side of the button, you know, the push side of the button, and just slightly pry on it. And look, it's coming right out. Oh, there you go. Scrape that plastic slightly, but you know, this is redneck engineering, so shit happens. And I'm just pushing on this bulb with the flathead. There we go. And get this guy and just shove it on in there. There we go. I think. Nope. Maybe I'll put it in there backwards. Hopefully I put it in there backwards. I didn't like break anything whenever I was putting that flathead in there. Oh, there we go. And then the plastic thing just goes back on the opposite way that you pull it off. Put this side in first, and then there you go. Red, red. There you go.